Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If my voice sounds kind of funny, it's because my allergies are crazy. I've been sneezing all morning. Yeah. So today I'm going to do a get ready with me slash tutorial for you guys on this beautiful palette. Look at the packaging, you guys. Like, it's so pretty. It's my Profusions Beauty Super Stars 23-piece complete beauty collection. And ignore my nails, you guys. I haven't had time. But look at that, you guys. Want to see. Yeah, it comes with 15 eyeshadows, 2 blush shades, highlighter, bronzer, contouring, blending brush, lip topper, and an eyeliner pencil, which I'm pretty excited about the eyeliner pencil because I've been wanting one and I just never purchased it. Now, this comes with one, so I am going to create a look using this whole thing. So, one of my subscribers yesterday, they were commenting and asking me to do, hopefully that I would do a tutorial on this beautiful palette. And yeah, shout out to Veronica. I'm doing this for her and for everybody else who has this palette, of course. So I'm pretty excited to use this, you guys. Like, I really am. Really quickly, I already primed my eyelids. I did my eyebrows because they take years to do, and y'all know if something goes wrong, you gotta take it all off and go back. Okay guys, as you know, I had to get y'all up close and personal. That way you guys can see what I'm doing with my eyes. This brush, like, it doesn't have anything because I use it all the time, but it's a Sigma blending brush. I wanna say E35 or E25. I need to look it up now. And the shadow that I'm gonna go in as my transition color, you guys, I'm going in with Outgoing. And let's see here. Okay, now that I'm done blending that color in, I'm gonna go with just a brush, Morphe. It doesn't really have like you know how they have like letters or numbers or stuff like that. It's just a Morphe brush. It's kind of like to blend. It's a little bit smaller. The next color that I'm gonna go in with is Fearless. And there you go. And this one you're gonna put in the crease. And then once you apply that color in, you want to go in with a bigger brush. This one is a Morphe R40, and I mean, it has product. It's better if you don't have product on it, but given the fact that it's kind of similar to the color that I have on my eyes, it's fine. And just kind of go over, because it's a huge fluffy brush, or any type of brush that you see that you like to blend with, like, you know, when you don't have any product on the brush, just so that kind of goes well together. Next, you guys, I'm going to go in with Sigma's White Shader E59 brush, and I'm going to go in with the color Phoenix and apply that on the lid. I've been making a lot of looks using colors like this because they're my favorite colors, actually. And just apply that all over the lid. Then you want to go back with your big fluffy brush, or just a brush that you want to blend out the colors with. Just kind of go back and forth with it. I'm going to go in with Pretty Vulgar's the Ink 01 Black List Gel Liner, which is this beautiful little thing. And this brush right here, you guys, is just an eyeliner brush, and it's by Morphe. But like I said, some of these don't have an actual like number or anything, or a letter. Okay, you guys, so I already applied my lashes. I was having a little issue with this one, so it took me forever. And I also already applied my NYX Honey Do Me Up face primer. I love this thing, you guys. I actually need to get a new one. Look, like, it's gone. And now I'm trying to look for my foundation. I'm gonna go in with Kat Von D's Lock-It Foundation, medium 57 warm. I'm gonna go in with Sonia Kashuk's number 130 foundation brush. Now I'm going to conceal, and I'm going to use Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in light medium. I don't know why, and I've said this before, I always end up doing just one side of my face first and then the other. Like, I have no idea why. And then I used to use, I probably sound like a broken record, I used to use a beauty blender, and I still have my blenders there, but I don't know, I just don't use them anymore. They're good though, not because they're not good at all. They're amazing. They do such an amazing job. But I just decided to go with the brush. Then I always want to go back with my foundation brush just to kind of blend that out. That way it doesn't have like a harsh line. Okay, going with my Laura Mercier translucent setting powder. I'm gonna go in with Morphe's M437 brush. You're gonna see in a minute, and I'm trying to kind of set that down and kind of go over my, I always have the habit of going over my eyebrow just because I did use concealer to sculpt them out and clean them up a little. So I always like to do that. Now, to kind of contour, and when I say kinda, I really don't, but I just go like by my cheekbones and or my forehead area and a little bit by my chin, just a little bit, not too crazy. I'm gonna go in with Morphe's contouring brush. This is this, yeah. Then I'm gonna go in with Brilliant Bronzer using my Beauty Star palette. And just, it's a bronzer, I know, but usually that's what I use. I use bronzers to kind of, oh my gosh, look at that. And just kind of go over, which I think I put too much, but this is when I blend. And like I said, it's weird that I just do one side first and then the other. That's just how I work. You can already hear that I'm hitting my it's a little bit on the harsher side, but maybe because I put a lot, but I'll fix it eventually. Yeah, don't put a lot. A little bit goes a long ways with this thing. You guys can see like I'm kind of going harsh at this because I just realized that I put too much. Okay, that kind of evened it out, so that's good. Next, I'm gonna go in with my blush brush, Urban Studio. This I bought at Ross. And the blush I'm gonna use is Sparks. Good thing these things have like a name. Okay, I'll just kind of tap the houses, and I feel like I'm gonna put a lot on. Okay, yeah. When it's like a new blush or bronzer or highlighter, well, highlighter I really don't care because you just want to shine. But when it's a blush, sometimes I'm like, oh my gosh, I put too much, or it just doesn't go enough at all. Like, it's weird. But this is good though. This is really good. And the brush that I'm going to use is Luxie 522 Tapered Highlighting Brush. This one I bought. I didn't buy this. This came in my BoxyCharm. And I'm going to just put my brush through. Oh, wow. Look at that, guys. I love this. Put some on the nose. And just a little bit. You guys, that scared me. I was like, oh my gosh, somebody's honking. Like, if it was for me, it wasn't. But still, I still looked. You guys, this highlighter is really good, actually. I like it. Wow. I am impressed. I am very, very impressed. Okay, you guys, next I'm going to go with Morphe's E18 brush. This is very tiny, just precise to get into the inner corner, outer corner on the brow bone, or under your lash line. And I'm going to go in with Smashing with the highlighter I just used. Put some in the inner corner. The way I said it. I don't know why, you guys, this eye is poofier, or just poofy in general, than the other one. I don't know why. And then we're gonna apply that on the brow bone. Now I'm gonna go back with Fearless with the same brush. And I'm gonna go under my eye. Just slightly put some on and then just get rid of the excess. And then go back to do the other one. In this part, you guys, you want to be careful because sometimes if you put too much, you're going to look like a raccoon, which I've done in the past. And I can't find a way to fix it unless I take it off completely. Okay, you guys, next for mascara, I'm going to go in with Unlashed Wonder Beauty Volume and Curl Mascara. And this is what it looks like. I got this in one of my other BoxyCharms too. And this one I just used for my bottom lash line. Or my bottom lashes, actually, because it's like so tiny and you can get in there better with your bottom lashes. So I like it. Next, for my big awesome lashes, I'm going to use Butter London's Double Decker Lashes, which is this one. This one I also got, I think it was in February or March's BoxyCharm. I know, I'm like BoxyCharming it up here. Is that even a word? And just apply I have a couple friends that use lashes as well, and they don't apply mascara, but I do. I love the way it looks. Next, you guys, I'm gonna go in with Profusions eyeliner pencil, which came with a set, and I'm gonna apply this. My gosh, that's ticklish. That is so ticklish, you guys. It's not even funny. Next, you guys, I'm going to go in with e.l.f.'s Blushing Rose. And it is a lip stain, like $6 or $7 at a Target. Aww. Hate it when it doesn't do what I need it to do. Okay, I'm going to put a little bit of that because I'm going to mix it with BH Cosmetics Liquid Linen. And this is in the shade Evelyn. There you go. And I'm gonna let that dry a little. And now that that's dry, it's more drier than it is wet, I'm gonna go in with Profusion Sparkling Lip Topper. I like it. Last but not least, you guys, I'm gonna go in with my MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus. And this is, what is the coconut? There you go. And now for this part, you guys, I do use a fan. And that is it, you guys. That is the final look. I actually had a small malfunction with this thing. Like, I was dripping, which I usually try not to do because it always happens. But this is the final look, you guys. I am loving this look. The eyeshadows are amazing. They actually apply really, really well, and they're very, very blendable, which is amazing, which is really, really good. I love Profusions, you guys. Like, I love that brand. I do. So almost everything that I used, everything that's in here in this beautiful palette, I used, except maybe the brush. I used the lip topper, the eyeshadows. I use this right here, the blush, the bronzer, and all that good stuff, the highlighter. So yes. But thank you so much for watching my video, you guys. And like I said, one of my subscribers asked me to do one of these, so I did it for her, but everybody else who purchased this beautiful Profusion set. So subscribe, you guys. Hit that subscription button, hit that bell next to it, that way you'll get notified whenever man, there he goes. Like, I can feel something on there. You get notified whenever I upload and all that good stuff. Comment down below, like this video, you guys. Check out my other videos down there. But also, I do have Twitter, you guys. I do have Instagram, Facebook. I will be posting that down in the description box below, and also right here. So yeah, but yeah, that is it for today. I really hope you guys enjoyed this look as much as I enjoyed making it for y'all. So yeah, I will see you soon. Bye.